Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a Shazam inspired makeup look. When I saw the trailers, I'm gonna be dead honest, I was not that excited for the film, and then I saw it yesterday and I was like, oh my god, this is one of my favourite films. Definitely one of my favourite films from DC. If you would like to see how I created this Shazam inspired makeup look, then keep on watching. With a white eyeliner pencil, I start to draw out the lightning bolt that is on Shazam's chest, and I draw this on my forehead with the point going down in between my brows. I now start to fill it in with face paints, and I use an orange for the outer edge of the lightning bolt, and then as I go into the centre it goes to yellow and eventually white. Then using a brown eyeshadow, I create some shadow around that lightning bolt just to make it really stand out that little bit more. With a white face paint on a fluffy brush, I decide where I want the electricity to come out of the lightning bolt that is in the centre of my face. So I start to really lightly fluff out around it, so it's not a perfect straight line. It's going to be a bit messy because this is going to be the glow that is around the electricity line that we're going to draw later. So once I've done that, I then get a fine brush into that white face paint and draw the solid electricity lines that are going to be coming out of the lightning bolt. For this eye look, I wanted to do an invisible liner, so I got some tape and taped it across my eye where a normal eyeliner would be. I used the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly to prime my lids, and then I used the shade You're Kidding out of the James Charles Morphe palette for my crease. I then used a concealer to cut that crease and then applied the eyeshadow B in the same palette to the inner half of my eye, and then just on the outside I used the shade 518 from the same palette on the outer corner. I then lined that cut crease with a liquid white eyeliner by NYX, and then I filled in my brows and put some highlighter on my brow bone. For my lips, I used the Colourpop Zoella collaboration, and this is a liquid lipstick in the shade Self Love Club. So this is the final look. Let me know if you like this tutorial by pressing the thumbs up button down below, and if you've seen the film, let me know what you think about it. Am I the only one that loves it? I honestly loved it, and if you haven't seen it and kind of thought the same as me about the trailer, I really encourage you to go watch it because it's really funny. I thought it was literally just going to be a kids film, but it's really not. It's really funny and I really enjoyed it. If you would like to see more creative looks like this, and also quite a lot of makeup looks related to new released films, then make sure you hit the subscribe button down below because that is what we do over here. If you would like to see more close-up looks of this makeup tutorial, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It should be here. Is it here? Is it? It is at brooke.ellis_. It will be linked in the description down below if you just want an easy, quick link. Head over there. I also upload a lot to my stories now. I went to a press event last week and filmed all that. I also do unboxings on there, so if you'd like to see makeup unboxings as well as cute quick glam makeup looks, I'll put them tutorials on my stories also. I might as well put this in here as well. I've had a few people say that they miss my fashion videos and my lookbooks, and in the future I do plan on bringing them back, but they just take a lot of time. But I do have a fashion Instagram account, and that is Brooke Ellis Wears, so that will also be linked in the description down below. Anyway, that's the end of that ramble. I really hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.